It's that time of the year where we see Brussels sprouts everywhere. Markets, restaurants, they're roasted, they're charred. Today we're gonna do a nice fresh Brussels sprout salad. What I have here is some green Brussels sprouts and some purple Brussels sprouts. Now, as far as the cleaning aspect, we have a stem. Usually they're really dark and dirty, so you wanna do is just cut them off and then just take a look at the leaves. If there's some, messed up leaves and have stuff on it, just throw it away. All these are cleaned up. Now, as far as prep, you can use a Cuisinart. One of the things about the Cuisinart, great tool, makes it super fast, but you gotta make sure you have the right blade. Or we can go low tech, $10 mandolin, and nice thin slices, which is what I want. All we're looking for is just a simple slice. So very thin, but I want it even thinner. This is why I like the low tech mandolin. Now, as far as a little safety, you have to watch out for the mandolin. Don't want to lose any digits. Also, if you want to, there's gloves that you can purchase for $5 or $10 and you won't cut your fingers. So let's go ahead and get all these things prepped out. I did about half my Brussels sprouts, and this will give me more than enough for 2 salads. What I want to do next is Parmesan Reggiano. I'm gonna go ahead and grate this right into the salad. This is a lot of cheese, but that's what makes the salad creamy, salty, beautiful thing. Along with the cheese, we're gonna add some lemon zest. I just like lemon zest because it gives it a nice brightness without adding the juice, and it just has a really nice yellow color. Last up, the hazelnuts. Now, we can go ahead and chop these, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a Ziploc bag. The reason I like the Ziploc bag, not a lot of mess, they're not flying everywhere, and then we can just go ahead and add it. When it comes to vinaigrette, it's all about you. A lot of times we see recipes and it's 3-to-1 acid to oil. I like even or like 1-to-2, but again, it's your flavor. So I have some champagne vinegar, and I want to use a little bit of vanilla paste. Boom, dab. A little bit of salt. Gotta have some pepper. Pepper goes really nice with Brussels sprouts. And then the oil. I'm not looking for this to be emulsified because it's gonna go into the salad and you're really not gonna see it. So I don't have to whisk as I'm doing this. Go ahead and give it a spin. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Nice. And even though I didn't slowly pour the olive oil in, it emulsified. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. We're just looking to get everything coated. And the thing is, it's the textures. I got the crunch, I got the creamy, I got the shred. It's just really, really nice. Now to make this pop, the last ingredient will be the mint. You wanna give it a nice coarse chop, so bring it together. No need to roll it. That's it. Go ahead and dump it in. I want to hit it with a little bit of flake sea salt. Some more pepper. We can plate it up. The chef in me wants to hit it with a little bit of olive oil. And then that's it. This is a really simple and beautiful way to use fresh Brussels sprouts in a nice winter salad.